So here's the ingredients. It's hot water, a meat packet, any meat's fine. I got chili sauce, squeezed cheese, and corn chips. So any chili's fine, really. Any cheese is fine. I just got hot dog chili, and like I said, I have pulled pork in sauce. But you can use whatever you have. Like I said, you can use chicken, you can use any kind of ham or beef. And this water is hot, it's ready to go. So let's get started. So first you need crushed corn chips. It's easier in the bag, so you get a better, see how it's taking longer and they're bigger chunks. When you just leave it in the bag, it's easier. If you can get it smaller, that'd be great. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hot water in it and stir it around until it turns into masa, which is dough. And when it gets soft, that's when you can mold it. So like, you see how soft it got real fast? That's what you want. You want it like that. So the smaller crumbles you can get, the better. Because see how mine looks like cereal? You need it smaller. And it helps to have hot water. So if you use the hot water, look how fast it gets soft. See that? And that's what you want. And you don't want all that juice in there. You just want it, just the dough. I'm gonna call it dough. It's just the outside of the tamale. See, that one's still crunchy, so I'm gonna put some water in it. See, it soaks it up right away, so I'm just gonna give it a chop, see if that helps the texture. I want it a little bit smoother, a little bit more peanut butter smoother. And I'm gonna give it a stir. See how good? Yeah, that's coming out real good. All right, and I'll be back. So I ended up like stirring it around and kneading it. And it's still needing water, in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more water. I'm gonna show you guys how soft it is now. I mean, as long as it sticks together, it's still gonna be good, right? I don't know. This is my first time trying this recipe. So if you like this type of food, I hope I'm not crushing all your dreams and expectations. Okay, so that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up and get started on assembling it. Just a second. Okay, so this is the meat I'm using. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna squeeze it on. Usually I don't put a lot of meat on my tamales because I don't like greasy tamales, so I just add a little bit of whatever I have and I spread it out like in the center, and I just put the moss on top of it, like, well, I guess I could use more because it's kind of thick and I don't want just, I want like flavor, so. Oh, that looks so chicey though. Like there has to be more. So I just put it in the center, and then I just literally wrap it up in here. And it's easier if you do it with the bag method, but my bag was like really big, so we're just gonna like mold it, just fold it over. See, and that looks like a tamale. So my tamale is pretty much done. This is what it looks like. I literally flipped the tamale over and it looks better. So like, this is what I have. And I'm gonna put the chili on. See, this is hot dog chili sauce. And I'm just gonna put the chili on over it. Here's the chili. And you can use as much chili if you want, as you want. Use as much as you want. And if you want to cover it, you can cover it. That's how I eat it. I just cover it with chili. And this, you can just throw this in the bag too and let it warm up, if that's how you do it. I'm gonna use the microwave, and okay, and so like I'm literally gonna put this in for like a couple seconds and be back. This is what I have so far. There's chili, the tamale is perfectly fine. So I would recommend, if you want to warm up the chili in the bag, you can just do that in some water. It'd probably be easier to warm it up first and then top it. I didn't do that. I had to put it in the microwave. So this is what I have so far, and I'm really liking it. It looks so good. It smells really good. And it took about 2 minutes to heat up. So this is the spread cheese I'm gonna use. It's like, what do you call it? Cheese whiz. So this is what I use. I like eating this at picnics, but I'm excited to try it right now because it's like dead winter, and like, I don't know, this reminds me of like, you know, like summer. So let's see. So Like, can you see how much I put on there? I put so much on there. Like, I did it on accident, so I'm just gonna slow down a little bit because that's not how much I wanted. Like, that's how much I wanted. And I actually want some more chili on there. And I think, like, y'all probably think, oh, she messed it up. But you know what? I love this stuff. Like, literally love this stuff. So I'll be right back. This is what I have, and I'll be right back. My nickname when I went in, it was Papa Cop, and it was given to me by the staff, and so I hear it every now and then, and it's not like a big deal in my life. Like, I'm not like trying to be infamous with that name. You can see all the meat. And like, I literally tore it up. Like, I didn't know the camera was not filming. And I literally tore it up. And that's what it looks like now.